Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set ringtone in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Click on the setting icon. And then you have to see here many options. Scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option. Again you have to see here many option. You have to choose a sim number first on which you want to set ringtone. So click on here. I want sim 2, so click on that. Here you have to see many ringtone. You have to choose any ringtone first which you want to change on your mobile phone. Firstly, play ringtone. I want that one. Click on that. Now click on the back option and here you have to see in this way ringtone is set on your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.